In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Sound and Notification. Then scroll all the way down and tap on App Notifications. Finally, click on one of your apps from which you want to block all notifications and click on gray switcher next to block. So when I do that, as you can see, all notifications from my Chrome app are blocked. If you wish to switch them back on, hit the same now green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!